like, subscribe, and get notified.
A beach shack was completely gutted on Calangute beach in the Khobrawado area, causing huge losses of 20 lakh rupees to the owner. The fire occurred at around 2 p.m. reportedly due to a short circuit. A beach shack on Calangute beach was completely gutted in an afternoon fire. The fire was most probably caused due to a short circuit. Local shack owners and staff acted swiftly to control the blaze, preventing it from spreading further. However, the incident caused massive losses as it occurred just at the start of the tourist season. The fire gutted liquor bottles, water stock, cutlery, kitchen utilities, bamboo chairs, cushions, 12 ceiling fans, electrical wiring, and 2 deep freezers. The roof and other structures were also destroyed. The shack, owned by Cruz Agustin Fernandez, popularly known as Bosco, has reportedly suffered losses amounting to over 20 lakhs rupees. Fortunately, no injuries have been reported.
Watch on Herald TV.